Modern content teams no longer win by writing more. They win by converting ideas into repeatable publishing systems. Claude matters now because writing work has become multi-format. One insight becomes a blog article, X thread, caption, script, newsletter, and edit pass. In a controlled writing experiment, generative AI cut task time by 40% and raised evaluated quality by 18%, making the bottleneck visible workflow design, not typing speed. Science 1. The old method treats every asset as a separate task. Blog drafts live apart from social posts. Captions ignore newsletter framing. Editing starts only after the deadline hurts. Templates help structure, but they do not remember context, adapt voice, compare alternatives, or preserve intent across formats. The limitation is not creativity, it is fragmentation. The creator keeps re-explaining audience, angle, tone, offer, and constraints. Fragmentation happens because content tools optimize final output rather than system memory. A document stores words, a scheduler stores dates, and a note app stores fragments. Claude Projects change the geometry. Each project can hold focus chats, instructions, uploaded documents, and its own knowledge base. So the writing environment carries the brand brief forward instead of asking the creator to restart every session. Claude Help Center. The breakthrough is treating Claude as an editorial operating system, not a sentence generator. You provide strategy, source material, audience, constraints, examples, and rejection criteria. Claude turns that context into structured drafts, variants, and revisions. Official prompting guidance emphasizes clarity, examples, and structured instructions. For writers, that means the prompt becomes a creative brief, style guide, and quality bar in one interface. Claude Platform Docs. The system has 4 layers: source, angle, format, and voice. Source prevents hallucinated substance. Angle chooses the promise. Format translates the idea into blog, Xpost, caption, script, or newsletter. Voice preserves identity. Claude personalization separates profile instructions, project instructions, and styles, letting creators customize response behavior without mixing global preferences with campaign-specific editorial direction. Claude Help Center. The reusable workflow begins before drafting. First, feed Claude raw material, notes, transcripts, research, product details, objections, and examples of work you like. Then ask for angle maps, territories, reader objections, and format recommendations. Only after that do you request a draft. This order matters because Claude can reason over uploaded documents and project knowledge, while Project RAG can expand knowledge capacity when the context grows. Claude Help Center 1. Drafting becomes orchestration. A single blog idea can become a search intent outline, a first draft, a stronger hook, a tighter intro, an X thread, a short video script, a newsletter lead, and 5 caption variants. Artifacts create a separate working window for substantial content that can be modified and referenced later, turning revision from chat clutter into a visible workspace. Claude Help Center. Editing is where the human advantage returns. Claude can compress, expand, simplify, change tone, challenge weak logic, detect repetition, and produce alternative openings, but the creator makes the editorial decisions. What is true, what is on brand, what is risky, what is too polished, and what should remain imperfect. Claude's marketing guidance explicitly supports developing a unique voice and improving writing style, but voice still needs direction. Claude Help Center. The impact is compounding. One idea no longer dies as one asset. It becomes a content graph, long-form authority, short-form discovery, email relationship, script performance, and rewritten versions for different audiences. Productivity gains matter because they remove mechanical delay, but the deeper shift is creative throughput. The creator spends less energy formatting and more energy selecting the sharpest point of view, strongest evidence, and most useful promise. The future of writing with Claude is not automated sameness. It is smaller teams operating like editorial studios, research memory, prompt briefs, artifacts, reusable styles, format pipelines, and human approval loops. Claude can draft the surface, but the creator owns taste, truth, and timing. The final skill is not write me a post. It is building a content system that remembers, transforms, improves, and compounds every idea.